O Toulouse vet fast. Tired of carrying around those extra pound. The best way Toulouse vet en keep it off it to create a low calorie eating plan you can stick to for a long time. If you just want to drop a few pound fast, there are plenty of techniques and tips you can adopt to help you reach your short-term goal, to scroll down to step and to learn more. Exercising Toulouse vet. Make time for exercise. Exercising might actually make you gain a few pound of muscle when you first start, but is an essential component of a long term, sustainable weight loss plan. Regardless of how busy you are, it is essential that you make time to exercise if you actually want to lose weight and keep it off. Even light clothing like walking instead of driving to the store can affect how quickly you lose weight. 1. Exercise will do un corps. Make a many trip upstairs a possible, walk the dog 3 times a day, and just sweep, and mop with vigor. Increase the amount of walking you do. Use the stair of the escalator and park a far from the store as you possibly can. Start a hobby that involve moving around a bit, even if it doesn't sound like exercise. Gardening, building a small project, working on car, or playing with animal are all great way to burn calories. Try out a circuit training program. If you are trying to lose weight quickly for a particular event and are keeping the weight off, you can try a condensed work routine. Many women and health magazine have a personal trainer of a similar condensed work routine designed to maximize weight loss sans visible physical slimming with only a few days of gaining the regimen. Be realistic about the type of exercise you can do when starting a new program. If you are hoping to lose weight and keep it off, you will have to do more than a condensed fitness program. The best way to get into exercising by picking exercise that you are actually going to do and, hopefully, enjoy. If you are running, don't make it your main form of exercise. You will need much more motivation and time if you pick an exercise that you actually enjoy. Instead, try out different exercises until you find a fit that you really love, like swimming, biking, or even zumba. Remember ta game like volleyball, tennis, and even frisbee can help you burn calories while having a blast, making exercise social of an activity you will want to enjoy every day. Take up cardio training. Oui, la combination of cardio and resistance training are important for overall body health. Cardiovascular training for best reçu, include both moderate and high intensity aerobic exercise. 2. Iwa will help you shed those pounds quickly. Weight and resistance training don't lead to immediate weight loss, but can trigger your metabolism to use energy more efficiently. Keep your exercise regimen interesting. Variety it key to both promoting a healthy you and keeping you motivated. When you do the same exercise day in and day out, you put yourself at higher risk of injuring yourself. You are also more likely to become bored, thus making it harder to find motivation to keep exercising. While at the gym, switch between machine, join a fitness class, and add some resistance training into your schedule. 3. Perform low impact aerobic activity. Moderate aerobic work incorporating brisk walking, cycling, aerobic machine, or swimming no only burn calories they also keep you healthy. Psomiron. Resistance training, weight training, can help both men and women still be building muscle and raising metabolism for a constant passive benefit. Weight loss strategy that incorporate both aerobic and weight training boost calorie burn significantly. Those workouts require your entire body to exert an effort. Way, you work every muscle group and burn calories with more muscle at one time, rest at least 24 to 48 hours between strength training sessions on the same muscle group. Take 1 or 2 days of exercising a week. Like multitasking with your exercise. For instance, combine a form of resistance training, try raising a small dumbbell over a day you work, With your arm will you jog or cycle with your leg, 4. Rapid vet los die. Doa juice clans. Ti metodi also non atoli wod die. Torar manidi for qu'un most juice fast last or twode. Tredeyan extreme fast. Of juice clans la route ter. Ove, te main concepti tout only consume juice mad from raw fruit en végétable. The clans will remove toxin from your system, helping you lose that will also making you feel more alert and healthy. 6. You can buy a cleansing package from a health store or company online, or you can buy your own juice. 7. Be sure you incorporate plenty of vegetables into your juicing routine. Fruit juice contain a lot of sugar, and drinking a lot of it will cause you to gain weight instead of losing it. Some of the most popular clans brands include Collie Clans, Blueprint, and Leaf Juice. 8. Consider Tomaste Clans. Ti en extreme, short term die. It no recommended for healthy, long term weight loss. Tomaste Clans a liquide on dieta consist of almonade de lemon, cayenne pépé podé, maple syrup, en water, a saltwater drink, en herbal laxative. Die last forces day, trade of ignatot die bi only yatin raw fruit en veggie, die de of the liquide only die, entre mording back into solid food. Beavar tati die should only done for very short term vet loss sans y supposed of an action à detoxifying clan sera étant a strict vet loss routine. Treat water die. Ti die involve drinking a day total of about 64 fluids, 8 cups, of cold water, ti no a water only die. Continue to yat email. A water only die dangereux en can li toute la tevet ga du tout a slowed metabolisme. 9. A regular interval through good day. Drink a glass of water before ml to suppress your appetite. Don't will help you get into the habit of limiting the portion of food you consume during ml. By drinking water, you will feel full before ml, thus helping you consume less calories. Treat fasting die. Ti dabla ti dieta our body built to go through both time of feasting and time of famine as such, the should occasionally regret the famine par. Ti die requiert a for 2 day a week. You should only eat 500, if you're a man, or 600, if you're a man, calories. On the fasting day, dieter should stick to eating only vegetable, seed, légumes, en somme fruits. 10. Ti die requiert you continue your exercise regimen on fasting day avel as on regular day. As into it be fasting for un 2 day on say how you feel before you commit to long term fasting. Ote proven die. Dote méditerranéen die. Will no die out te rabin proven to work, te méditerranéen die ma comme closest. I based on the traditional ingredient en cooking style of people living near the Mediterranean. Researchation ta people de rigne tout die have reduced risk of ear disease, plus it help you pound dans look land en trim. 21. Focus on eating the following food, en eliminate bread, dairy en processed food. Fish. Olive oil. Végétable. Fruits. Ban en haut et légumes. Spice. Nut. Red wine. Treat paléo die. Back when cavemen still roulette earth, they did have time to bake cupcake or free potato chips. The paléo die, short for paléolithique, c'est que tout recrète te sam diet our early ancestorate, claiming our system are no built for modern ingredient en cooking style. You eat me, végétable, fruits, en haute food how would have been available back then, en avoid anything paléo people would have had. No artificial sweetener or grain are allowed. Some people incorporate intermittent fasting into the paléo diavel, to speed up weight loss. Dote all 30 die. Tidable un die to eliminate all processed food from your diet for 30 days to cleanse your system of artificial ingredient en haute processed item tahara on your digestive system. After 30 days, you'll notice a reduced waistline en energy level. 22. Avoir grain, dairy, sugar, légumes, alcool en all processed food. Yatmi, végétable, some fruits, and drink plenty of water. D'autres food die. If you dislike me en art of cooking, tion for you. Diététicien warnt à long terme raw food die live you eat two essential nutrients. The raw food die consist entirely of food have no been cooked. You lose vet be consuming a lot of fresh vegetables and fruits. Coconut milk, nut, seed and oat on cooked food are also allowed on the raw food die. 23.